What's up, guys? I just want to make a quick video today to show you guys an extension in Visual Studio Code that every developer should have, especially if you're brand new and you're trying to build projects or follow along with tutorials. And that is the underline tag extension. So to get to that here, I'm just going to click on extensions. And I already have it installed here, and it's this right here, or it's highlight matching tag. So if you don't already have this, guys, this is a freaking godsend. It makes your life so much easier, because what it does is when you click on a div, it'll automatically underline where the closing div or any tag, no matter what tag you have, it'll show you where it closes. And of course, that's usually going to come in super handy with divs when you have like 30 divs in a row and you're not sure where stuff ends. It makes your life so much easier. So make sure if you don't have this, guys, just go in here and type in highlight mat, and then it should come up. It'll be in the top 1, 2, or 3. Highlight matching tag, and download that, install it, restart your VS Code so it's working immediately. So just to show you guys how useful it can be, I'm going to open up a project here. And this is just some project code that I'm doing here in the new course that I'm creating. But for example here, for this, we'll use this one here, this pricing cards challenge that I just made for my students. Look at all these divs and how like crazy this would look if you're trying to follow along in a tutorial and you get lost. But with the highlight matching tag extension, when it's activated, for example, here's the pricing card div. If I click it, now I can see right away where it starts and where it ends. Look how easy that makes your life. Okay? Same thing with any other tag with ULs or anything that you're trying to do. If you're making a container class around your code, you can click on it, scroll all the way down, see that's where it ends. So everything is in the container like it should be. Same thing for the section, but mostly it's for divs. When sometimes when we make designs, we have like 30 divs in a row, and it's really hard to go and see where stuff starts and ends unless you have some kind of highlighter thing. So yeah, I wish I had this way back in the day when I was learning tutorials, because you build stuff with other developers when you're trying to learn, and then sometimes there's so many divs in a row that your code gets messed up, and then you don't really know how to fix it yet because you're still so new. You're just trying to build something with somebody. But yeah, guys, that's it. I just want to share that tip with you. This is a really useful extension. And if you don't already have it downloaded, go ahead and do that now. It'll make your life 10 times easier. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.